You're probably washing your car wrong. Now, if you heard me say car wash and immediately pictured this video is not for you. I would just swipe away now. Now that's just the car nerds here. Today we're going to be meeting up with my friend Tyler, who's an incredible detailer based out of Vancouver. He's going to be doing a full spa day with Saltie. We're going to be getting her dialed in with a decontamination wash, a paint correction, and then a full ceramic coat as well, just to help her look her best and protect her in the future.
So what we're going to do on this side of the car is we're actually going to use the Maniac Line's iron remover so we can see where the contamination is taking place on this wheel. So what this will actually do is the iron deposits will actually change color. There's a chemical in the iron remover bottle that helps identify where the contamination is taking place. Obviously it's everywhere on this wheel, but this will help remove and lift the iron deposits, and as we clean the wheel, they should come off much easier. We have two different wash mitts and a wash pad, which we'll be using to contact wash the vehicle. If you look at this one, obviously it's a different color, but you can stick your hand inside of this, where this is considered a wash pad. Now you might ask, why are you choosing two different ones or two different colors? Well, there's a bit of a system involved, so let me show you. With the wash mitt, your hand can physically go inside, and inside of there's actually a barrier in the middle, so you can grip it between your fingers like so. Now, what would we use this for? We would use this for the lower portions of the car because we're not worried about dropping this. With this, it's kind of harder to hold on to. So with this, you stick your hand inside, and I generally designate it from the door handles and lower, because look at all the dirt that's on the side of the vehicle. If you designate a certain mitt for the dirtier portions and then use the other mitt from door handles up, because it is definitely way cleaner up top than down below.
Spending the day with Tyler and seeing the attention to detail and amount of care that he puts into his work was truly special. He is so incredibly knowledgeable not only about the products he's using, but also the techniques and why he's choosing those for your car specifically. He really cares about educating his clients not only on why he's doing what he's doing in the moment, but also the aftercare and the maintenance that goes into continuing to protect your vehicle once it leaves his hands. The results also speak for themselves. There may have been an incident recently. Dad, if you're watching this, just maybe swipe away for the next 30 seconds or so, and then you can come back and finish the video. Everyone else can stay, but there was a coffee incident. I may have had a cup of coffee sitting on the roof of my car, and I shut the passenger door just slightly too hard, and my lovely, delightful coffee spilled all over the back end of my vehicle 10 minutes before a photo shoot. Now, this would normally be a tragedy. I'd be freaking out, everyone else would be freaking out, it would be bad. However, thanks to Tyler's work, most of it just kind of fell off the car. The rest of it just took a little cup of water, poured it on, and it got the rest off. No watermarks, nothing, it's like it never happened. Truly, saving lives out here. Tyler, thank you. You're my hero. There was also a second incident. Dad, I really hope you're not watching this. If you are, I'm so sorry. The car is fine, I promise. You trained me better than this. I know. There was an autocross incident. I may have taken out a few cones. 3, maybe 5, depending on who you ask. However, a few rubber marks were left behind on the front end of the car. I knew it was PPF'd, so if I was gonna hit anything, it was gonna be on the front end. Thankfully, due to Tyler's work and the ceramic coating, everything came off easy peasy. It's like it never happened. It didn't even really stick on there. You could just like wipe it off and it basically just melted off. It was brilliant. Dad, you can come back now. It's safe. Don't worry. Even if you're not local to Vancouver, still go check Tyler out. He is fantastic. He shares great behind the scenes as well as some fantastic educational content. So even if you're not local and you can't bring your car to him, you can still watch what he's doing, find out what products he's using, and then apply the tips that he gives you at home on your own. I'll have all of his info as well as all the products that we use linked down here, down in the description. So make sure, go check him out, give him a follow, give me a follow while you're at it. And that's all for today. That's a wrap, folks.